So Brian, I hear that KFC just got into the fake meat business this week with the launch of their plant-based nuggets and boneless wings. What is up with this fake meat trend?
I love that you brought it up. That's customer-centricity at its finest. This idea of taking something that really matters to people is about a personal passion, but making it easy for them to access it. That's what this customer experience is all about. But I gotta be honest, Kendra, I hate that you brought that example up. I mean, KFC, you're better than that. You could have focused on the Louisville Vegan Jerky Company, a growing company with a great product and a lot of cool ideas for customer centricity and agent centricity. We're so thrilled about what they're doing that we invited them to speak on CCW Online. It's going to be a fantastic discussion as part of our online event, and it's completely free to register. But you didn't need me for that. You could have easily asked your voice assistant for insight, couldn't you have?
I mean, voice assistants are great for a lot of things like navigation, playing music, but not for explaining complex ideas. That's why I've invited Kathy Pearl. She's the head of conversation design at Google, and she's going to be talking about what some well-known brands are doing in this space, and also where the technology is going in the future, and how voice can be used for social good.
Sounds fantastic.
What was that?
I don't know, I love the enthusiasm, but that was pretty creepy, wasn't it?
Yeah. I mean, computer-generated voices are a little bit creepy. But you know what? I heard that using AI and omnichannel in contact centers is actually really good for agent performance.
That's that holy grail technology we've long been searching for that actually makes agents more productive. Finally, we have a way to automate those simple tasks so that agents can do what they're meant to do, connecting with customers. In fact, the power of AI is becoming such a hot topic, it's almost a cliche in the space at this point.
Cliches? I hate cliches.
Yeah, you're totally right. I hate cliches too, you know? Speaking of marketing cliches, I hate how I keep reading online about how brands should be storytellers and support social causes that their customers care about, even though it has nothing to do with their products.
Yeah, those cliches get to me too. That's actually why we invited Anita Schillhorn. She's an expert in brand strategy, and she's going to debunk some myths about marketing strategy. Because the reality is, not every brand needs to be a storyteller.
Agreed. It's one thing for Starbucks to make documentaries about sustainable supply chains, but then you have Burger King launching the American meal to raise awareness about mental illness, and Gillette jumping on the Me Too campaign, and that's when things get a little messy.
Well, I'll tell you what is not messy. Our upcoming CCW Online Summit on Trends in CX Design and Strategy. It's completely free, 2 days packed with keynotes and case studies and technology walkthroughs. Everything you could possibly want to know about who your customers are, what they want, and how to provide it for them. It's completely free. Go to ccwdigital.com, register now. You don't want to miss it.